Here at the bivouac, there are a lot of different types of vehicles and trucks. Even if you can apply the technology to half of these vehicles with the reduction of gas oil that it would bring, this is very important. And we believe that the option of hydrogen has a great and lasting potential.
The K87 Epsilon team are making history as the first track to use hydrogen fuel in competition at the Dakar Rally.
This idea was conceived by David Gastira when 3 years ago, on the rest day at the bivouac, he launched the Dakar Future idea. The Dakar is the best testing ground for everything. Dakar Future pushes us. We push engineering solutions, and new energy solutions end up in the Dakar. Depending on whether the stage is soft or hard sand, in the best case we use 50% less gas oil changed for 50% hydrogen. Worst case scenario, 30%. We could be around 80–90% of less gas oil replaced by hydrogen. This would be great because the only byproduct is water. We could hit these figures by next year. When we got here, we had a little problem with the FIA. They told us that as other hydrogen projects were not ready for this year, they were postponing the hydrogen regulations until 2024. ASO helped us, creating the new category, new energies, with the drawback that we are always the last vehicle to enter the stage. We always find the stage broken, smashed, some sections completely destroyed. We drive much of the stage at night. This delays us a lot, but we are here to get to the end. It hasn't burst our bubble. The truck has been reliable and will get to the end. I'm sure of that.